The secret of chayote, from watery cells to superfood. Have you ever, while peeling a chayote, wondered why it's so juicy? Or what the secret is behind its crunchy texture? Well, today, we're not just going to cook. We'll become science detectives and delve into a secret world invisible to the naked eye. We'll dive into its cells, uncover mysterious pockets, and discover surprising facts. It all started with a single cut. When this knife cuts through the skin, what exactly happens? We're opening the gates of a small town called Chayote Cell. And the main citizen of this city is water. That's right. Almost 93% of the chayote's body is water. This water is neatly stored in special sacs called vacuoles in each cell. Well, this is what you see under a microscope. Those neat, amazingly structured sacs. These aren't just water sacs, but the logistics center of the cell. This is where water, sugars, vitamins, and minerals are stored. This neat arrangement is what gives chayote its dense yet crunchy texture when bitten into. Now, see this miracle when we dim the city lights. Why are there bright and dark spots? This is the secret density map. The bright areas are water districts of groups of cells with very large water vacuoles, allowing light to pass through easily. While the dark areas are industrial districts. This is where the cells are denser, perhaps filled with pigment or with thicker cell walls. Each light pattern tells the story of a different structure. But the wonders of chayote don't stop with its structure. Those vacuole sacs are actually a treasure trove of nutrients. Let's crack the code. First, as we already know, it's a hydration champion. Then, it packs a high fiber content of around 6 grams per 100 grams, which is our digestive best friend. But wait, here's the star, folate, or vitamin B9. One medium-sized chayote squash can contain almost 50% of our daily requirement. This nutrition is very crucial, especially for pregnant women, for the formation of a healthy nervous system in the fetus. And that's not all. It's also packed with vitamin C for immunity, potassium to control blood pressure, and minerals like manganese and copper, which catalyze hundreds of chemical reactions in our bodies. And all this comes with almost zero fat and very low calories. Amazing, isn't it? With such a powerful nutritional arsenal, the benefits for our bodies are also extraordinary. Regularly consuming chayote can be an ally for heart health, maintaining stable blood sugar, a natural detox for the liver, and an ideal diet companion because it keeps you feeling full for longer. But in every superhero story, there's always a downside. The same goes for chayote. While magical, there are some groups that require extra caution. First, for those suffering from kidney stones, chayote contains oxalates, which can worsen the condition. Second, for those with allergies to the gourd family, such as melons or cucumbers. Third, and most importantly, people taking blood-thinning medications. Chayote has properties that can potentiate the effects of these medications, so consulting a doctor is essential. And remember, too much of anything is bad. Eating too much can cause bloating due to its extremely high fiber content. So, from now on, every time you cut into a juicy chayote, remember that you are opening the door to a complex and orderly micro-world. You're holding a powerful source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, as well as a delicious diet companion and heart protector. Oh yes, a practical tip. Wear gloves when peeling them to avoid the sap, which can make your skin feel sticky or itchy. To preserve its nutrients, steam or lightly sauté it. Plus, it can be stored for a long time in the refrigerator. The world of science is all around us, even in everyday vegetables. By understanding what we eat, we can make better choices for our bodies. Take another look at the food in your kitchen. What vegetables or fruits would you like to explore next? Let us know in the comments. Eating isn't just about taste, but also about understanding the story behind each bite. May this be one of your most exciting science adventures in your daily life. So to support this video to grow and be sustainable, please support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and see you in the next microscopic adventure.